Hey, this is John Deeds with Quaint Realty. Come check out my newest listing at 4816 Raggle Inn right here in Arlington, Texas. Let's walk inside this beautiful home. First, we start in the living room. As you can see, wide open floor plan, nice and spacious. Home certainly lives a lot bigger than it actually is. Have a nice space for a little formal dining or eat-in kitchen area with direct access to the kitchen. Lovely bay window in the living room. As you can see, those back doors right there go out to the patio. Kitchen's been wonderfully updated. Butcher block countertops, subway tile, stainless steel appliances, nice big single sink. Here we are at the first bedroom. As you can see, that's a queen size bed, pretty good size. And this bedroom set up as a kid's bedroom. We have one bathroom in the property, and this is the master bedroom. King size bed, plenty of room for your furniture, nice windows looking out. We have laminate flooring throughout this house, so no carpet. Bathroom is a tile tub and shower. See the laundry hampers built in the hallway. Once again, we have a nice window looking the backyard. And speaking of backyard, nice and large backyard with a really great storage shed and a little patio cover. In the front, you'll see the double driveway, great for parking that extra boat or extra cars, and a nice one-car garage with mature landscaping and nice trees. Come see us.